You ever said sorry, tapos nag-e-expect ka na babalik din lahat sa normal? Minsan akala natin kapag humingi tayo ng tawad, mamaya-maya okay na ulit. Dapat tanggapin na nila, dapat kakausapin ka na, dapat bumalik na sa dati. Pero ang tunay na apology, hindi yan request para mabura agad yung consequences. Hindi rin yan paraan para gumaan yung konsensya mo. Kapag sincere ang sorry mo, huwag mong madaliin na patawarin ka. Huwag mong sinusumbatan yung taong nasaktan dahil hindi pa sila ready. At huwag mong gamitin ang apology para pilitin silang manatili sa buhay mo. You acknowledge what you did, you accept the damage, and you give them the space to decide what healing looks like for them. Kasi minsan mapapatawad ka nila, pero hindi na sila babalik. And you have to be okay with that. At bahagi rin ng accountability na tanggapin yun ng walang galit. A real apology takes responsibility. It doesn't demand access, doesn't demand forgiveness, and it doesn't demand another chance.